Gold and silver. So far for the traded with modest bullishness, specifically we have seen silver here is struggling to break beyond 31-31-22 zone, 31-20 zone and trying to reverse, while gold has hit 2640. And see, we have discussed several times that why 2630, 2640 is a greater resistance. Can we expect a breakout here, or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver now with the US session? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. We have released first update with the Asia and Europe session. Those who had watched must have already profited. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. First, on the hourly charts, if you look at gold, see, you can see that the bullishness getting diminished here, waiting for a breakout. Now, a move 2640 is the only confirmation that it is giving a breakout. Else, what is happening here? See, one sharp dip, retracement, and if it gives a breakout now below 2624 levels, you can say that again it is trying to trade bearish. 2624 is a very good support level now for gold. In fact, even if you see it trading below 2630, you can take a sell, but this is going to be a bit you can say riskier trade, because unless and until it stays below 2624, we should not be treating gold as bearish here. Yes, it is consolidated enough here. Stochastic is rising here. MACD is trading bearish. It is just trying to converge and staying bearish though. RSI comfortable here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, likewise see one bearish candle retracement, and now if it stays below this zone, specifically below 2624, then only you should treat this as bearish. Else it is taking a very good support here from this zone, and thus it has to stay below 2624 in order to turn bearish. Right now it is delivering higher lows and higher highs. Thus, watch out this zone. And if you look at the stochastic, this is drop trying to bounce back, while the MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. And this is a bit of retracement. See, this rise was a bit sharp, while the retracement is bit gradual. Thus, for accelerated bearishness, we need to have a sharper, stronger bearish candles, which is right now not present. RSI dropping a bit, coming to 3 on the 3 hour charts. Likewise, see higher lows, lower highs consolidating here. Very important for gold to stay now below 2426, 2624 in order to turn bearish, and then specifically below the next support below 2624, 25 is going to be 2620, and then 2614, 15 levels. If these three levels are taken, we are looking forward to a sharper correction, taking the prices towards 2590, 2580. Also, if you look at the 3 hour charts here, see rise, retracement, rise, and it could retrace here. Where is the retracement levels? 2580, 2590 possibilities there, that if it starts to slide below now 25, 2615, 2610 levels, we can see stronger bearish momentum continuing here on the downside. Stochastic has dropped. MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well and looking downwards consistently. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation, you can see this rise, retracement, rise, and it could retrace, just waiting for a breakout. This time it can move towards possibility, just very strong. Thus you can sell here at 2630, but then we have to be watchful till 2624. Stochastic dropping here. MACD has just crossed over, trying to diverge. First red candle, series of red candles may appear, and thus more bearishness may prevail. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the daily, see on the daily charts what has happened so far. Higher highs are seen. Now if it starts to deliver lower lows, means there is a strong possibility that prices can move towards 26005 zone, and if it breaks this, that we can look forward to a move towards 2590, 2580 zone as well. And thus selling at 2630 appears to be a good call, but then only and only if it breaks below 2624, you can say that there will be bearishness below 2620. The increase in bearishness below 2615, chances will be high that we will look forward to 260205 levels. While on the upside, now you have to be again watchful at 263638 zone. If it breaks this, I will look forward to 264142, very good resistance zone. And if it breaks 264142, we can look forward to 2650. But see, the stochastic here is overbought, and the MACD here is trading with divergence, so it can try to converge a bit. A conversion means couple of red candles. RSI is staying overbought as well, which calls for it to cool down a bit. So looking at this, yes, a selling entry at 2630 can be taken, but with a caution note till 2624. On the upside, you can buy here at 263638, but with a caution note till 2642. only bullishness above 26.42 and only bearishness below 26.24. Take your positions accordingly. And yes, those who are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates. And this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis, clear entries, clear exits, with reasons for why to enter at what levels and why to exit. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation. And yes, do join the free Telegram channel. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, with global presence, easier transactions, easier withdrawals, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at silver. Now see, silver again has shown a struggle at 31-31.20 zone, and I have mentioned why it is a greater resistance zone. And now if you see it is staying above 31-31.20, yes, you can stay bullish, but the chances of this happening appears to be less. If you look at hourly charts, what has happened here? See, there is a reversal sign. It has seen the highs now trying to break on the downside. And now if you see it is staying below 3075 and 3060. See, 3060 is the milestone it needs to break in order to turn bearish to. As long as prices stays above 3060, you should not be treating this as bearish. Though you can take a selling entry at here at 3075, 3080 zone, but then 3065, 3060, you should wait for it to break. Safer entry is only below 3060, yes, below which you can look forward to 3040, 3020, and in fact $30 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is retraced and rising, while the MACD is also trying to bounce back, trying to trade with bullishness. RSI is staying comfortable. Coming to 2-hour chart. See, if you look at the 2-hour charts for silver, you can find out a very good support is seen here at 3060, 3065. Thus, it is very, very important for it to break below these levels. Now, what is happening here? You can see this. It is just consolidating with lower highs and higher lows, and it is just staying in the zone. So, for the day, in fact, you can sell here at 3075 or in fact 3080 levels as well. Yes, once you see the higher prices below 3080, you can take a selling entry, but this is going to be a bit riskier till 3060 is not taken. Only bearishness in silver is if it drops below 3060. Then what is happening here? Drop, rise retracement, and a breakout here is going to bring enormous bearishness. Right now, I can say that it is not signaling such a strong bearishness, and thus we have to be careful here. Also on the upside, yes, 31-31.20 is a greater resistance zone. We have seen that earlier, and we can see it again. Today we have seen 31.20 pushing the prices again on the downside. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD on the 2-hour charts has crossed over, and this is a slight bullish sign, and also this crossover is coming at a lower levels. So that is why we have to be cautious here with the sell side still 3060 for silver. RSI has dropped, coming to 3. Likewise, on the 3-hour chart, see one bigger swing candle, then an indecision taking the support here. Thus, a drop below 3080 is a confirmation of further bearishness, and then below 3060 is where you can see enormous bearishness. But right now, I cannot confirm that it is trading bearish. It is still trading in this moderately bullish channel. Very, very important for it to trade above 31.20. That will confirm a move towards 31.40.50, and if it breaks this, you can look forward to a move towards 31.80 and $32 levels here. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD is trading bearish. RSI is running flat. On the 4-hour charts, if on the 4-hour chart, just consolidation going on. We have to wait for a breakout, and a breakout is the only confirmation which can con- compel us to take a trade. Right now, I can see it a very range bound movement. In fact, you can buy here at 31, but then this is going to be riskier till 31.20. And thus, if you're buying at 31, you have to be placing your stop losses strictly at the break even till it's below 31.20, and once it breaches 31.20, stay bullish for further rise towards 31.40.50 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD is trading bearish. The RSI is running flat. Coming to daily. Now look at the daily charts. If you look at the daily charts, rise, retracement, rise, it could retrace here. Second red candle may appear here. But today what it has done, it has formed a double top as well, and thus it is important for silver to break this double top levels, and only if it breaches this double top, you can say that the bulls will be active. Else what is happening, it is opened on a flat note, it has formed a wick, and thus it could form a very big bullish bearish candle here, taking the prices towards $30 level. So we have to watch out closely how it behaves till 3060. Till 3060, do not read this as bearish. Very clear. Moving averages crossing over here, good sign for the bulls here. It is still looking upwards. Stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD is in green, trying to converge, and RSI is running flat. So looking at this, very clear. Buy at $31 levels when you see the lower price above 31, but this is a bit riskier till 31.20. Till 3120, we know that it is not bullish. Beyond this, 3140.50 is the next target. Then 3175.80 will appear, and then we will look forward to 3205, 3210 levels. Possibility is there that once it gives a breakout, it is going to unleash stronger bulls. While on the downside, take a selling entry at 3080, but then till 3065, 3060, be careful. Below 3065, 3060 is where the bears are waiting. We can look forward to 3040, 3020, and in fact $30 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And do not miss to watch every day the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank